Today I'll walk you through exactly how to delete a form in MailerLite so you can keep your account clean and free of forms you no longer need. If this kind of quick tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It really does make a difference. And let's get straight into it. Before you delete anything, just take a moment to make sure the form you're targeting isn't still embedded on your website or connected to any active campaigns. Once it's gone permanently, so a quick check now saves you a headache later. To get started, open your browser and head to MailerLite. Log in with your credentials and you'll land on your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Forms. This takes you to a full list of every form you've built in your account. Now take a moment to browse through your forms list and find the one you want to remove. MailerLite will show you each form's name and some basic details. Before you go any further, just double check that you've got the right form selected. It only takes a second and it's worth doing. When you're sure you've found the correct form, you're going to click the three-dot menu icon sitting right next to it. You might hear this called an ellipsis or options menu. Clicking it opens a small drop-down with all the actions available for that form. Take a quick look at what's there before you proceed. From that drop-down, select Delete. MailerLite will usually show you a warning message at this point, and it's worth reading it rather than clicking past it. It's there to remind you that this action is permanent and cannot be undone, so make sure you're confident you want to remove this form from your account entirely. Once you've read the warning, go ahead and click the confirmation button. It'll say something like delete or confirm, depending on your version of MailerLite. Give the platform a moment to process the request, and then check your forms list. If everything went through correctly, that form will no longer appear, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a form in MailerLite and kept your account tidy. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.